Yeah, hi, my name is Tulade, and I'm going to walk you through how you can web script using BeautifulSoup Python on your IDE. All right, now as you can see, I've already set up my folder already in my IDE. I've named some files already. For example, I have my script.py file, I have my web color file, and as you can see, I have some other setup here in my IDE. Now, let me just give you an insight into what is happening in my web color file. Now, basically, what I'm doing here is I'm crawling the links, right? Sometimes I like to crawl the links first. For example, if I have multiple links in a particular site, I can crawl them first with the web color. But that's enough for now. So, but basically, in this particular demo, I'm focusing more on the script. All right, how do I script? Now, in this setup, as you can see, I've been able to import my dependencies from what we have here. Then I've set up my AWS credentials because of this demo is that once I crawl or once I scrape my data from the website, I'm able to upload them into AWS um, S3 bucket. So you can see I've been able to define my AWS credentials, my access key, secret key region, and bucket name, and I've been able to pass them into an environmental variable, right, to make it more secure. I'm going to comment this out because I use this to debug. I don't want to print this out for this demo for security reasons. So what you can see right now, right now, this particular setup was basically used for debugging as well, just to know, to know if my ENV are passing the right values. Then from here, I'm going to initialize my session. As you can see, I'm going to select my session my AWS S3 session. And from here, I have my input URL. I have this somewhere here, my input URL. So this is basically the site I'm going to be scripting from. Also, so I've been able to define my function to fetch the web content and also to save the file locally. As you can see, as we have here, the function to also upload to S3, which you're going to see shortly. And also, basically, as you can see, basically, I've been able to pass my functions, right, in terms of uploading my file and scraping the content from the particular site I intend to web script from. So let's run. So I could just do this simply by clicking on this. Okay, first of all, let me take you also to AWS. There's nothing here. Once we run this, you will see that it's going to populate, right? Once I refresh, it's going to populate with a different, with a second folder. So let's move down here. So right now, my content still running. Still running. I should have deleted it, but no problem. I'm still just going to show that this file has been able to upload into my S3 bucket. So yeah, as you can see, it says uploaded to S3. Yeah, so that's cool. So the next thing is I'm going to refresh this page, and once I refresh this page, I'm going to see. Basically, I'm going to see that my data from the site has been dumped or uploaded into my bucket. So let's just take a look. All right, in a bit. Let's take a look. Cool. As you can see, author script data. So basically, I've done. And also, if I want to also upload my data into a database, for example, like Postgres, I can actually do that as well by changing my setup. As you can see, this is the file. Let's just take a look at the content of this file. What does it contain? So pretty much, yeah, as you can see. Thank you for jumping on this demo with me, and have a nice